Welcome yourselves back to another video. The garage is empty. We take delivery tomorrow. Ooh, tomorrow at 10 AM. I won't be here because we need to go and get some other parts, which we will do later on in the video. I'll sort of stretch it out into one. But for the beginning, we're going to go over the wheels that I've had back from the polisher for the Audi. So all I'm doing here is running over it again with some Autosol. Now Autosol is a very fine, high grit, however you want to say it, metal polish. So what I'll do is I'll throw it on a rag, polish that bad boy over and over and over. When it's polished on the wheel, there is a little bit of residue that gets left over, so just going over it by hand in a microfiber gets that detail up, gets the shine, just popping ready. Now realistically what I could do with maybe a splash of water while you do this. Just splash of water, dry it, go over it with the Autosol, splash of water, dry it, go over it again. But I don't have water here, so we're just going to go with the Autosol. I'm going to have the wheels put on ready for the show later on in the week, which obviously you guys will see the video for, so you'll get to see how it looks on the car in another video, unfortunately. Good morning, Vietnam! It is 22/6. We are on the road. The day has begun. Day of the delivery. You know, I'm covered in cream. I swear to God it's cream. God, that is a bit sus, but it's cream. And the courtesy car they've given me for the Audi is a manual, so you know it makes life all that little bit more difficult. Street sweeper. So today we are picking up the roll cage and then going to take delivery of the Corrado. Now my buddy's picking up the Corrado, the guy that normally does all my sort of recovery. That is Dolly Dolman. There'll be a surprise there at some stage from him. I'm thinking that I do a calendar of all of the times that he's like recovered me, so it'll be pictures of like all my cars on the flatbeds being towed away. So if anyone's interested in that, let me know. I'm gonna order them like to suit, so I know I've got a couple of people that have showed interest in it. So what I'll do is I'll say if 10 people are interested, I'll order 10, you know what I mean? So just as a bit of fun really. So we're going to crack on with the rest of the journey and the rest of the day. I am going to work this morning and I'm working in Leeds, and the roll cage is in Wales. So yeah, luckily England isn't a very big place. So I've got 155 miles, I'll probably shove another 30 quid in it. And then we'll go from there. But I'll definitely get some footage of this fucking Corrado. I have seen it now. It's a little bit rough around the edges, but you know, she's alright. What good woman isn't, you know? We are once again back in the motor. Okay, so I've come away from work. I'm now heading down to down to North Wales to pick up our special car part. Now I'm hoping that it'll fit, so it gives you a clue that it's a reasonable size. I hope it fits, because if it doesn't fit, then I've wasted, what, 4 hours driving this far, and I'll be gutted because I want it, like, I need it. It's gonna fit. I'm gonna make it fit. Even if I have to cut this car up, I'll cut the roof off this car. Fuck it. So yeah, so we've got 50 minutes left. There's just been a load of congestion back further up because there was a lane closed on that side of the road, and everyone on this side decided to drive like this. Oh, that's nice, yeah, we'll look at that all day. And just cause congestion. Why? Stop being a nosy, Parker. Look where you're going and drive. But hey ho, cruise control's on, we're chilling, off we pop. So it won't go in any further because of the centre console, and the boot will only close that much. Fuck. What do you mean? What's up with that? We're going home. We're roll cage, way. We're back. It's still in one piece. It's still in there. I haven't looked in the garage yet. The car's in there. So, do I show you guys? I'll show you guys me first. Then I'll show you the car. So you can get the raw reaction. Oh god. Oh dearie me. Do you know what? She's not even bad. Fuck. She's rough, boys. She's rough. Here we go. Here we go. So obviously the reason we've got it is because of what's in there. Those wheels are already spoken for, but it's got lecky mirrors, it's got sun visor, it's got no door handle on this side, so how? Like that. Okay, that's fine. And the back window's smashed, but I'm told all the electrics work. K-Reg, same as mine. So we can get in there with that. I'm going to have a look at the lights, all the bits and bobs. See if, because some of mine are cracked, so I'll take them, put them on mine. Interior's not bad. Bits of plastic that I can use. Don't know why the back glass was smashed in. That glass is smashed in as well. But the car is really solid. Really, really solid. So there we go. So it does have the window regulators on both sides. So I'm going to check them. Go through. It's got some knobs. It's got wires. Some screws, bits of stuff, foot radial and that, another blank, I'll keep that for my one. This dash is black as well, which is good because mine is not, so I'm going to have that. And this has got ABS, so I can have the ABS off of this. Very good, sir. Very good, sir. It's got a different headlight switch than mine, and a different key, and some sort of central locking type thing. But I'll get an actual key in there at some point. But it's got, oh, I thought it had the uprated, the different clocks, but it doesn't. So, oh well. I was lied to. It's all good. Carpet's in good nick. Okay, so that door opens. Handbrakes there. It's all right. It's all right.
Yeah, I think overall it's not a bad looking motor. It's a bit, obviously it's rough around the edges, like, you know, seriously rough around the edges, but I'm told that the sunroof actually works, so that'll be interesting. If I get a battery plugged in here, get it all up and running and going. I'll keep this module spare because, you know, they're good to have. I'll take the fuel sender out of here as well because they're good to have. And this one's got speakers back here, which is nice. Again, good to have because I don't have any in mine. Very strange, the specs on these. I'll take these as well. Again, good to have. Don't have them on mine. Mine's got a massive fucking patch here, huge patch. So that's intriguing because this doesn't have it on either side. I did think that it was a fix, shall we say. I'm really intrigued as to why I can't open this door. I'm gonna give it a fucking kick. See if that just changes its mind. But yeah, overall, lecky mirrors. Oh, this is black. I probably won't swap the dashboards over because it'll be an absolute nightmare, but I'll take this out because it'd be good to sell. Black grab handles. I'm going to take this one and I'm going to fit it here. Or maybe for the left-hand drive, and I'll have a look. I'll have a look. I've just frigging bought one of these as well. Why not bother buying anything? Then again, I didn't know it would come in today. But hey ho, yes. So I wanted to share that with you all. I'm gonna get the cage out the car now, out the Corsa, put it in here, and then throughout the course of the week, I'm gonna go through this and just start stripping it apart. I'll get the battery from my one, put it on here, have a look at it all, and we'll go from there. But for now in this one, thank you guys so much for watching. See you next time.
I want to go sit on it.
Go on then.
Sit on BBS.
I don't give a fuck.
Ready?
Go on then.
What are we doing?
Right.